We're back. Freeze frame. Roll the intro. Rippin Bangers.
Drone bangers.
Here's a banger.
Rippin Bangers.
Man, that's a banger. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. How are we feeling? I'm feeling great. Today we are in beautiful, chilly Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That is correct. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rippin Bangers. As you can see behind me, we are at an overlook in Pittsburgh. We are on the west end, and behind me we have the, what do you call it? The union of three rivers here in downtown Pittsburgh, which I believe that's kind of what Pittsburgh's known for. You got the three rivers. Don't know the names. I'll put it here, here, and here. Those three rivers. We can kind of see them all from right here. So this is going to be our first banger of the episode. But today is a special episode because we're going to be taking everything on the Sony 85mm f1.8. Decided to challenge myself a little bit and restrict myself to one lens. Don't use this lens a ton. And when I do, it's typically for portraits, super good portrait lens with that low f-stop. But today, we're gonna try and do some landscapes and some city shots with it today. First shot, let's go. So you can see from our viewpoint here, we have the three rivers coming together with the downtown in the background. To the left, we have the Steelers Stadium. We got their famous yellow bridges over there as well. So we are going to switch to the 85. We're gonna frame it up nice. I think I want to have both yellow bridges on the left and right in frame. So my center frame is gonna probably be the little peninsula out there. So let's strap on the 85 and let's get a banger. All right, we're on foot. You know, I'm just not a city guy. It's so overwhelming. But we're on foot. We're en route to the Roberto Clemente Bridge, which is closed. So my plan is to take a picture, right? My plan is to stand in the middle of the road and take a picture of me standing on this very beautiful but almost painfully yellow bridge. There's one behind me. Let's get there. I guess the bridge closed means bridge closed. Can't get on it. So backup plan. We have a view. We're almost at the water's edge level, whatever you want to call it. Big, pretty yellow bridge. Big skyscraper in the background. Let me just show you. I'm gonna frame that up. Little leading line into the city, you could call it, with the bridge there. We're gonna fire it up, strap on the 85, and you know what's next. Not a bad shot there. I think this just turned into, it's gonna be Rippin Bangers Pittsburgh Riverwalk, because these bridges are kind of sick, kind of ugly, but kind of sick. And it's sick views down here. Look at a little of this. I mean, right there, it's a banger right there. No, just met this sweet little photographer girl called Bella. She's out here, you know, ripping bangers just like the rest of us. We're gonna find another spot. Get shot number 3. She's fucking getting it. All right, y'all, we got our next shot here. So we have these 3 yellow bridges, like boom, boom, boom. Can't see myself. We have these 3 yellow bridges, like bang, bang, bang. So I'm gonna stand on the back side of this one, shoot under it, get shadows in the foreground. Sun's peeking through the clouds right now. In the background, watch this crap. I just got luckier than something that's really lucky. So I'm standing on the bridge, trying to find another shot, kind of framing up this building through the bridge, and lo and behold, fire truck comes blazing across the bridge, sirens blaring. This sun behind me is making me look fine, but check this out. Bang! You know, sometimes you just get lucky. So, next shot, I don't know who UPMC is, but they're about to get a free ad. I'm gonna shoot on this very busy bridge through this little support beam on the yellow bridge, and this UPMC is a skyscraper in the background. So I'm gonna lower my aperture all the way down, probably 1.8, maybe 2.2. Building in focus, bridge blown out like this guy's freaking muffler. All right, that's 5. We need a video. I don't know what to do for the video. I have one, but it's kind of cheating because I didn't use the 85. But here's the thing, I make up the rules, so I'm gonna use it anyway. Insert buttery, beautiful video from my drone. Go.
Yeah, I'm about to shut this down. Or on the rivers, running the streets wherever the sun shine down. I'm at the bridges, I'm off the gates, yeah.
Not too shabby. That's gonna just about do it for Pittsburgh here, but stick with me for it's gonna be like an hour my time, but like 20 seconds you time. I have a little announcement and something to share with you guys. So it's what's under this coat. And it's freezing, so I haven't been able to take the coat off, so hold on. All right, we made it back to the hotel, and announcement time. We have breaking free merch. Check it out. I call this the cozy hoodie. Super, super comfortable. We got a couple different hoodies. We got a cropped hoodie, a few t-shirts. We got a Rippin Bangers logo. Come on with it. So go check it out. breakingfreeproductions.com/store. Check it out. Help support the channel. Rep the movement. I appreciate it. Go take a look. Lots of colors. That's going to do it for Pittsburgh. That's going to do it for this episode of Rippin Bangers. Check out the store. Make sure you subscribe. Roll the photos and freeze frame. See you.